his series, Can't Get You Out of My Head, Adam Curtis says the age of individuality is over. So stop trying to make yourself distinct. Don't make the mistake of trying to create a style. It's futile. There are too many people. Could that be true? And what does that mean? We're going to be looking at that in a few minutes from now when Adam Curtis joins us. Meanwhile, there are so many things that computers can't do well. And the most obvious thing they can't do is this. Now, if this kind of silence happens at a dinner party, it's a disaster until someone clears their throat or, otherwise breaks the spell. But there's no such thing as digital silence. It's on or it's off. And as computational systems speed up, it's impossible to stop working for more than a few seconds before you get a message, something like this.